The services of Ministry of Energy and Infrastructure are distinguished by their ability to meet the needs of users in simple steps, including loss or damage replacement of port statement of compliance. You can access this service through the smart application MOEI or by visiting Ministry's website. Log in using your username or using your UAE pass to get more features. Choose services from the homepage. Then maritime transportation and choose port services to reach the required service and press start button. Fill the information in the form. Upload needed documents, then press on submit to complete the service. To avoid any delay, please make sure that your data entered in the online form is correct and accurate. After the ministry approves the application, you will automatically receive an email notification in order to pay the fees through the electronic service. You can also view and download all your reports, certificates, and receipts from the end user dashboard.